100%.
100% going to America's Food Fund. Now, there's one more thing I want to talk about. Since schools are still closed and parents are having to teach their kids from home, I wanted to try and help out in any way I could. So I figured I would have Andy teach everyone something today. Andy, there's a lesson plan in the envelope I would like you to open.
I'm already nervous. What would you like me to do? Just read?
Yeah.
Okay. The first bird I want to teach everyone about is the red-billed oxpecker. These peckers are native to Africa. At first, their peckers are olive-colored. But after 4 months, their peckers turn bright red. The peckers, this isn't real.
You're helping the kids at home. Read it.
The peckers love holes. Many of them build their nests in open tree holes.
I didn't know that, Andy. How big did peckers get?
The next bird I want to teach everyone about is the Dixis.
What's the name of it?
The Dixisel.
Okay.
The Dixisel has yellow breasts, gray cheeks, a large pale pecker. And these birds are named for their loud, persistent songs. Dick, dick, sis.
Sorry? What are their songs?
Dick, dick, sis, sis, sis. I can't do it anymore.
Wow. Have you ever seen a Dixisel in the wild?
No.
Okay.
Oh, God, I hope this is real stuff.
It is real stuff.
Okay.
It's real birds.
Okay.
And we're teaching the kids.
Okay.
They don't want to learn about math all day.
Next, we have the booby. Since the booby is a seabird, you can find many of these fine-looking boobies on the beach. Boobies hunt by diving into the sea to help cushion their dive. Boobies have facial sacs.
Wow. You know a lot about boobies. What else do you have to teach us, Andy?
Please tell me. This is the last one. The last thing I want to tell you about. This isn't real. The last thing I want to tell you about is the cockchafer. The cockchafer is a European beetle. It's not really a bee, but the cockchafer. Oh my God. The cockchafer has wings like a bee, so it's sort of a bee, but it isn't. It's a cockchafer. And that's today's lesson about the birds and the bees.
Oh, Andy, thank you so much. We learned a lot.